Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. So as you could see in my last video, I tried to sketch Ronaldo and it was a big fail. So this is the portrait, and as you can see, it was a big fail. There are so many mistakes here. Main thing is this. Can you see the proportions? Eyes, nose, lips are like not in real right proportions. Lips are not matching, nose is not matching. Eyes little bit, after I did a lot of corrections, little bit it was matching. The only thing which matches here is the this neck and shoulders and this t-shirt. Nothing else. So so let's not give up. We are beginners, so of course we are tend to make mistakes, and we will learn from our mistakes only. The more we will practice, the better we will get. So okay, so my first attempt was a fail, and now after that I tried to sketch again. As you can see, this is my second attempt. But in my second attempt, I did the proportions bit right. I took the measurements like this. I made lines. I took proper measurements for the eyes, for the nose, for the face, for the hair, and here neck, shoulders. But still I failed. As you can see, it's not matching. It's not matching Ronaldo. It's not looking like Ronaldo. Basically, here proportions are right. Not so right, but still okay. But eyes are not matching at all. Lips are not matching. The problem here is that uh, I try to observe and draw, but shape of the eyes are wrong here. Shape of the eyes are wrong. Size of the eyes are wrong. They are very big, and lips also, teeth also not right. Let's see the real image of Ronaldo. This is the real image of Ronaldo. Can you see? Here I have done all these measurements, and accordingly I did it. According to the proportions I tried, but I failed in that also. So now will be my third attempt. I will try third time. Whether I will succeed or not, I am not sure. But well, we are beginners. It's fine. Let's keep trying. Let's keep making mistakes. Let's keep learning from our mistakes. So here, a little bit it's matching, but when I see the portrait, it doesn't look like Ronaldo. When I match, I feel yes, this is matching. This is matching. This is also matching. Proportions are matching, but it doesn't look like Ronaldo at all, except for the neck and shoulders. Neck and shoulders are matching. All right, so I will try to first correct this portrait. I will try to fix the eyes and lips and see whether I succeed or not. If I don't, then I will try to sketch new one, completely new sketch. All right, people, just thank you for watching and being patient with me. Please stay connected to see whether I really will succeed or not, or how many attempts do I need to succeed.